Well, did you know that the way you eat on a daily basis and over the time, basically your diet, your daily diet, can have an impact on your health today and can have an impact on your health tomorrow? If you didn't know, you should watch this video. So in this part of the video, which is a piece of the video, the long format, what is nutrition and why, what does it matter, we see the nutrition and the chronic disease prevention. So this is a small piece, this is a small portion of nutrition and chronic disease prevention, but it's worth it to watch it. So I'll let you with this part of the video. Okay, in this section we will really talks about why nutrition matter, because we saw earlier that nutrition was important for you, for your body, make sure your body function correctly as is at its optimal way, but surely nutrition is really important for you now and for you tomorrow. So in this section we will see nutrition and the chronic disease prevention. So for this section I have recorded 2 scientific articles. The title are The Importance of Healthy Dietary Pattern in Chronic Disease Prevention, and the second article is The Role of Nutrition in Chronic Disease. So these 2 articles refer that nutrition is a critical modifiable risk factor for preventing and managing chronic disease, such as heart disease, cancer, and diabetes, which represent the leading cause of death and place an unsustainable burden on global healthcare system. These 2 articles also emphasize a shift from looking at individual nutrients to adopting a healthy dietary pattern as foundation for a long-term health. So in terms of healthy dietary pattern, we talk about like high in fruits, eating more vegetables, having food with whole grains, plant-based foods, for example, low in carbs, low in added carbs, and low in saturated fat, for example. Ultimately, this article shows that prioritizing nutrition is very essential for your long-term health, because it will reduce the prevalence of this condition, of this chronic disease apparition, and improving your quality of life for individual and for society alike. So in terms of like key point that we need to remember from this article is that nutrition is a modifiable lifestyle. So nutrition can change your lifestyle in factor to link to a major disease like heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. This can be changeable if you change your nutrition and connected to a different lifestyle. The research shows that dietary patterns can reduce chronic disease risk apparition. And global health perspective, we have, if you have a better nutrition, of course, there is a lower mortality and a healthier aging or higher aging in the long term. Okay, so now that we saw that what was nutrition, try to understand in a scientific way, deep dive into the importance of nutrition and why it matters, show that the relation between the nutrition, your nutrition, and for example the risk or not of the chronic disease, or reducing the risk of chronic disease apparition. Well, I hope you got some valuable information from this piece of the video. This part of the video is part of the long video format that is already available on the channel of what is nutrition and what does it matter. So if you prefer to watch the full video information about what is nutrition and what does it matter, it's already there. So this is a piece of the video, and this is a focused one about nutrition and chronic disease prevention. So now that you know that the way you eat, your nutrition, your daily nutrition habit can contribute to have an impact on your potential health, on potential chronic disease apparition. So now we see actually how a healthy nutrition looks like. So this is available on the next part of the video, which is available there.